Good morning DXN. Welcome to this presentation. The Business Opportunity Meeting, or BOM, is a standard DXN module that is presented worldwide. We take this opportunity to invite you to become one of our smart business partners in doing the DXN business. This presentation will cover three major components of the DXN business: the company, the products, and the compensation plan. First and foremost, I would like to introduce you to the corporate vision set by Executive Chairman Dato Lim Hsiao Jin, which is to promote health, wealth, and happiness. The integral concept behind such statement is, when health is our top priority, wealth and happiness will naturally follow. DXN is a very stable company. Behind every successful organization is a great man. Under the strong leadership, and with the vision conceived by Executive Chairman Dato Lim Hsiao Jin, the company obtained various certifications, recognition, and accolades, which earned him exemplary distinction. DXN is a global company, well known for its high-quality Ganoderma lucidum and other wonderful health products, and was recently ranked as the 15th largest direct selling company in the world, from its former 22nd rank in 2017. It is now considered as one of the world's largest Ganoderma company. DXN is one total company, with the concept of one world, one market, one mind. One total company. The entire process of cultivation, processing, and marketing is solely done by the company, under strict quality control standards. One world, one market. Each and every distributor enjoys worldwide bonus, with a single membership. You can do the DXN business anywhere in the world, using the same membership. One mind. The company and the distributors are single-mindedly focused on promoting health and wellness to the world. This set of photos represents the factory owned by DXN, located in Malaysia, which is considered as one of the world's best factories, with its state-of-the-art facilities and accredited manufacturing technology, which also earns certifications, like ISO, and good manufacturing practice, from international authorities. Other than Malaysia, DXN has also established factories in India, Indonesia, Mexico, and China. DXN is a stable global company, with proven good track record, fully integrated, and 100% debt-free, certified by internationally recognized quality control bodies. DXN is also present in more than 180 countries. DXN boasts of exceptional consumable health and wellness products, for everyday use, which is organic and free from toxic chemicals, ensured quality, and affordable. DXN offers a solid opportunity for every individual to have low startup cost, but with the potential to earn a good income or high bonus. As a global company, DXN provides global opportunities, with a simple, easy, and powerful compensation plan. Aside from the above strength of DXN, that also serves as the primary reason for choosing this company, we also take pride on the supreme quality of the products that have stood the test of time and have amazing results, with several testimonies of credibility. As such, the company never stops from expanding and developing its product line. DXN has several healthy food and beverages to choose from. There is a wide variety of Ling-Z coffee products, to chocolate drinks such as Cocoa Z. We have a combination of coffee and chocolate in one drink, called Z Mocha, various types of tea and cereal drinks, healthy instant noodles, a delightful soya drink called Nutri-Z, and a mint candy for fresh breath. Aside from our G and GL, as our core Ganoderma-based products, we also have other food supplement products, made from spirulina, lion's mane mushroom, cordyceps, noni, roselle, and other precious mushrooms, fungi and herbs. To take care of your skin, DXN offers personal care products that will help maintain glowing skin, including soap, massage oil, and aloe vera products. We have toothpaste, shampoo, and soap for healthy teeth, hair, and skin, and talcum powder and chubby baby oil for the protection of your baby's skin. Pamper yourself also with Gano-Z E-Series for younger looking radiant skin. For a beautiful smile, there are cosmetic products, especially for ladies like Gano-Z lipstick. While having a healthy lifestyle, DXN also promotes healthier and cleaner living at home, with household products such as Veggie Clean, Dyna Clean, Pine Clean, GT6 Car Wash, and Dish Clean. DXN has a wide range of products that are considered as nature's amazing gift to mankind, from Ganoderma, cordyceps, lion's mane, morinda, to spirulina. DXN provides a solid opportunity to millions of distributors, with 9 ways to earn, including retail sales and bonuses, international profit sharing, travel seminar incentives, and a one-time hand phone and overseas travel cash incentives. With the existing simplified and improved marketing plan, SIMP, any distributor can enjoy the residual income, on a step-by-step basis, from starting as a distributor, to achieving the highest status in DXN. This would be reflected in becoming a qualified star agent, and qualified star diamond, starting from the monthly product purchase worth 100 ppv. Once you achieve these positions, you can help others become a qualified star agent, and qualified star diamond too. How can you attain this residual income? We will discuss this compensation plan briefly. There will be direct profit for distributors when they buy DXN products at the distributor price, but sell these DXN products to non-members at the customer price. The price difference between the distributor price and customer price is what we call retail profit. The compensation plan offers a bonus reward system from 6% to 21%, depending on the accumulated group PV, from your sponsored member, retail or both, for members to reach the status of star agent. As you can see, starting from the accumulated group PV of 30 PV to 1,800 PV, you will be promoted to the status of star agent, with a 21% bonus. This means that while you continuously purchase for yourself, or as a group, you will be promoted automatically, on a permanent basis, which will lead to an increase of your income. Would you like to earn $18,000 every month? Here is a sample of the possible earning of a distributor through the following 3 steps. First, a monthly product purchase worth 40 PV. The example given is 9 bags of coffee. Second, sponsor 3 people monthly, and get them to do the same. Third, and more importantly, teach your members to duplicate the same process, to come up with the results, as presented in the table. To be entitled for the Star Group bonus, you must be a qualified Star Agent, QSA, having 25% bonus share. Help all your personally sponsored distributor become a Star Agent, and get them to also personally purchase 100 ppv. It is also important to note that while your sponsored distributors become a Star Agent, you permanently advance and rank automatically. Once you are a qualified Star Agent, QSA, earning 25%, you will be entitled to development bonus, from 5% to 15%, from each QSA, until the 5th level. You are a qualified SA, if you have personally purchased 100 ppv. If you become a qualified Star Diamond, QSD, earning 37%, you will be entitled to leadership bonus. Upon reaching the status of qualified Star Diamond, having 37%, you will receive leadership bonus of 5% to 15% when you help others become a qualified Star Diamond. Here you can see how many Star Agents, SA, you need to become a Star Diamond, SD, and how many SDs are needed to reach the status of SD, up to the highest status of Crown Ambassador. It means that while your sponsored distributors become a Star Agent, you permanently advance and rank automatically. The other 4 incentives, covered in the existing SIMP of DXN, are the one-time handphone and overseas trip cash incentives. You qualify for the handphone incentive, worth $300 once your 3 immediate Star Agents achieve 2,400 AGPV. After 5 direct downlines receive the handphone incentive, you qualify for the overseas trip incentive, worth $1,800. A qualified Star Agent and above, who reaches the annual quota, can also enjoy the annual travel seminar incentive of the specific destination set by the company. Any member who is a qualified Star Diamond, 37% and above, is entitled to 2% international profit sharing. This is DXN, one of the largest Ganoderma company. Join us today, as one of our business partners, and enjoy health and financial freedom. Thank you for listening to this presentation.